Bar spoons, not only are there many different varieties, but there's many different uses for them, and the skills that I'm going to be showing you today are not only going to make your service quicker and better, they're also going to get you more tips. Don't go away. Over on my cocktail channel, I made these two old fashions whilst performing the 4 tricks that I'm going to show you today. So if you want to learn how to use these tricks whilst making super awesome cocktails, check out my channel up there. Go and find out how I made these two. One's non-alcoholic, one's alcoholic, but they are both fucking delicious. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Although this trick is very difficult to perform, when using a long spoon like this, it becomes a lot easier. First of all, you're going to grab with your index finger and your middle finger and your thumb on the other side in the middle of the spoon. You're going to push with your middle finger to do the thumb around. Now, when you get back to this position, the starting position, instead of catching, if you lift your hand up and push your thumb around gently, what happens is that your thumb will push the spoon around, it will spin around your thumb, and then you'll catch it. It does take a while to perfect. I am still perfecting it myself, but a little bit of practice every single day and you'll be able to start nailing this move really quickly. The bitters bottle flick. Actually much easier than you think, and you can perform this with any bar spoon. So if you do have a long spoon, hold it closer to the middle. Now, you can push the bitters bottle onto the spoon. You want it to land on the spoon, or you can use the spoon and then catch it. Now, the trick here is don't hold the spoon near the top of the bottle. You want to hold it near the shoulder-ish. But have your other hand here ready to catch, and then you flick and catch. It's a super cool move. I love it, and I'll be using it more often. The double spoon finger spinning movement is one of those ones which looks a lot more difficult than what it is. So the spoon in your right hand is doing this. You're going to grab the spoon between your index finger and your middle finger. You're going to twist around. See, it doesn't leave my fingers. Watch my elbow. Twist, elbow goes down, and it goes all the way around. That's the first part of this move. So around to here, and then you're just going to twist backwards twice. Now the left hand is a little bit more tricky because you're changing the direction of the spin mid-spin. So it's all about the position of your hand to make that direction change happen. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Grabbing from underneath, index finger, middle finger, thumb. 1, 2, and as it's coming around and making this second spin, you're changing your hand here from this position to this position to this position, and then 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then make sure the 2 spoon ends are together and the 2 ends, and you're kind of at a 45-degree angle. So you're going to take it from your speed rail or ice whale, and then you should end up with the spoons the right way up. The double spoon thumb around. I've never seen anyone actually do it, but it's actually very easy. You get your 2 spoons, you just slot them together, and then you perform the same move, the thumb around, like you do with 1 spoon. Thumb around 1 spoon, 2 spoons together, thumb around 2 spoons. The difference is, with a single spoon, you can do it very quickly. With a double spoon, do it slower. Huh? So the double stir with one hand is very, very easy once you know the trick. Instead of using the spoon ends, you're using these teardrop ends. These teardrop spoons make stirring much easier this way round. Now, if you've ever used chopsticks, it's exactly how I'm holding these spoons. So the first spoon is going in between my pinky and my ring finger, and my thumb is holding it in place. And the second spoon is in between my index and my middle finger, and my thumb is holding that solid. I put the spoons in on one side of the glass. This is on the right side of this glass, the right side of this glass. And then just start slowly, just to get the rhythm, all right? And then once you get the rhythm, you can start getting your wrist into action, and then speed it up. Hey presto, double stir in, hello. Now, just because you stuck around until the end, I'm going to give you a bonus move. I also performed with the Tulip strainers in the final video, and it looked like this. Very easy to perform. It can just look kind of complicated. So you're performing the same trick with both hands. Grab hold of the Tulip in between your index finger and your thumb. Then you're going to swing them in towards you. Swing in until they go to the opposite sides of your hand. So in, around, hands come over the top until you're here. Now from there, you just cross your hands over and place them in the mixing glass. So your hands cross over twice. So good. Anyway, thank you very, very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button to push this video to more people who may want to learn some Flair bartending moves, some craft Flair moves, working Flair moves. And also, if you are new, hit that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when I'm posting new videos every single week. If you are still here, you are one of the lucky ones, because the next video right here is more bar spoon tricks that you can use behind the bar. Go and check that one out. I'm gonna go enjoy these old fashions. Until then, see you, bye.